My name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. Today I am doing a get ready with me while I chit chat with you guys about my life before lashing. It gets really personal. I am in my home, I'm in my room, so I hope this video came out fine, but let's just get into it. Here I am, barefaced. I feel so brave right now coming on camera with no makeup on, and I am using my new camera. As many of you know, last Thursday was my birthday and my husband got me a new camera, and the quality is amazing. I could already tell with the viewfinder, but I am a little nervous to see how the editing is gonna go and me looking at all these pimples. I'm scared. I'm not going to be really talking about the products that I'm using. I'll have them all in the description box below. I did start my YouTube career or whatever. First YouTube videos were makeup tutorials. This video is going to be really chill. I used to do this makeup all the time when I did lashes back in like the holiday season during Christmas, because I would be really busy after work, so I didn't want to look crazy. Nowadays when I lash, I don't have any type of makeup on. I sometimes just brush my eyebrows and call it a day because I am using like a mask all day. Before, I would greet my guests without a mask and consultations and check them out without a mask, but now because of COVID, I wear a mask since I get to the studio until I leave, so I don't feel the need to wear a lot of makeup now. I feel like the mask gave me some acne like around this area. I got a ton of acne and I'm trying to work on it, so not wearing makeup to the studio when I'm lashing has been a game changer. The only times I'm using makeup is when I film or on weekends here and there, but that's about it. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. I'm usually over there every single day posting lash related content when I'm lashing, posting OOTD pictures, working out stuff, roller skating. Guys, I started roller skating earlier this year and I was really nervous to start because when I was 8 years old, I broke my hand roller skating, and of course I cannot break my hand now. I'm lashing. A couple weeks ago I was doing like some ramps and I slipped and tried to catch myself with my hand and I heard it pop. I sprained it. I think it wasn't bad at all, but it did get me really scared, and I haven't been roller skating all that much. I'm gonna get back on it, and this week hopefully I could get back on my like working out game. I feel like I get on it and then fall off of it like really easily. It's not okay to do that because I need to get rid of this double chin here. If you guys watched last week's video, I did tell you I was gonna have a vlog this week. Obviously that didn't happen. I was just like in the moment. I was not thinking about recording. I was just soaking everything in, spending every second and minute with my husband, my kids, my family. Birthdays mean so much to me. I'm now in my mid-20s, mid to late 20s, guys. I'm 25. I was reminiscing on my early 20s, and when I moved here to Memphis, I was 20. I was about to be 21. I moved here in March. I thought it was gonna be the best thing ever moving here to Memphis. Think about it, kind of was, but I had high hopes that my family life, like with other parts of my family, were gonna grow and it was gonna be beautiful. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and I got really depressed moving here to Memphis. So sometimes when I think about Memphis, that's what I think about, and I'm slowly starting to disconnect that. But I was really depressed, guys. Like, it was disgusting. It was horrible, and I will never ever get to that point again. That's when I started doing YouTube videos. I was doing like makeup videos. Then I was like working at Ulta. I transferred my license and I started lashing. So a lot of good things have happened from here in Memphis, but a lot of heartbreak. When I opened my lash studio, it was like the best thing that ever happened to me apart from my husband, my kids. I poured so much attention to it and I grew it and grew it, and still to this moment it just makes me so happy. And when I get messages from people saying like, oh, your videos are like making me really excited to start my lashing career, it makes me so happy, because this is seriously the best industry in the whole wide world. Like, I love the lash industry so much. I want it to grow, and I always say this and I will always say this: if there's a lot of good lash artists, there's going to be a lot of more amazing clients. Like, if you feel like, oh, I want to get in this industry but there's like so many lash artists in my city, trust me honey, their clients have sisters, they have daughters, they have mothers that want lashes, and one lash artist has X amount of hours in the day. They are not gonna go crazy. If their books are full, they're not gonna go overtime and lash 24 hours a day, trust me honey. So there's gonna be more better clients out there. When I moved here to Memphis, when I was trying to find clients, I am going to make a video all about that, like how to find clients and things like that when you're just starting off, because I didn't go to school here, so I couldn't just like reach out to a friend and then have their friends come. It was like really like, it was hard finding clients, but then it got a little bit easier. A lot of clients, when I would like try to reach out to them like at the store or something like that, they'd say, oh, but that's really expensive, like, oh, those damage your lashes. And like, the thing was, there wasn't a lot of lash artists out here. There still isn't. And the ones that were doing lashes, unfortunately, some of them were doing them in like wrong. They were not putting extensions, they were doing clusters, charging for extensions. Not really, like they were thinking they were doing extensions, but they were not isolating properly and they were just messing people up. So of course those clients never wanted to go back and they never wanted to get lashes done again. But now that I have a full book of clientels, thank God, a lot of their friends and family keeps wanting to come to me, but I am pretty booked. So now I'm like, hello, there needs to be better lash artists here so I can recommend you these clients, because like I said, I can't take all of those clients. Like, I wish I could, but little old me is not going to do that. I am a little nervous to see how this video turns out. I would have been nervous with my old camera either way, but now with my new camera is even like higher stakes, because I do have a microphone, so I don't know if the quality of the audio is better. Like, the camera, I'm sure quality is way better and like my face is gonna be looking really weird. The lighting, like I do have a light right there with my mirror, but I hope this video just comes out fine. I wanted to do like a little chit chat video, just like a little update and like just talking to you guys about how I'm feeling, so you guys could get to like know me a little bit better. I feel like my other videos have been very highly lash related, and that's what I wanted my channel to be, all about lashes, because I love lashes. As you can tell, I got my lashes done for my birthday. But yeah, that's what I want my YouTube channel to be, all about lashes. But I do want to do more lifestyle videos and for you guys to get to know me, because I am a person and I still haven't figured this all out. I am just living every single day to my fullest potential. Like I said, I really want to just be happy now. I realized that time flies, you know, like when I was in that depressed mode, I felt like I was never gonna get out of it. I felt like that's all I wanted to do, be in like my sorrow and like so sad, you know, and depressed and ready to go back to Vegas. I'm still ready to go back. Don't get me wrong on that. I am definitely gonna move back there whenever it feels right. My sister is still out there in Vegas, and if you guys don't know, oh, I look real tanned. I am raising my nephew, and my nephew is my older sister's firstborn. His name is Rudy. I've had him since like he was born. I feel like me and my sister were really close when we were younger. My mom was a single mom, so me and my sister were raised like this. I remember every weekend when we lived in California in Glenwood, we would go to Venice, Santa Monica. My sister worked at a Subway in like really close to, what beach is that? I forgot what beach. And she used to see all these famous people like Fat Joe. I was raised with like my older cousins that are like 10 years older than me. So when I was in elementary school, they were in high school, and they were like the ones that influenced like my music. I would listen to a lot of like TLC, Biggie Smalls, old school reggaeton. And we moved to Arizona, and I had a lot of family out there in Arizona too. But then when we moved to Vegas, my sister got pregnant when she was, how old, like 20, and I was 15 at the time, being a wild child. I feel like my high school times were really fun. When I got pregnant, I just didn't want to go back to school because I would ditch every other freaking day, and I was like, I'm not gonna go back to school and finish. So I dropped out at 10th grade. When I dropped out in 10th grade, I was already like taking care of my nephew on and off. Then I got my GED. When I gave birth to my daughter, I took some time off, you know, to breastfeed her and just like soak up those early months with her. I enrolled into cosmetology school, got my cosmetology license, and haven't looked back ever since. I've never worked like at a fast food restaurant or anything like that. I've always been in the beauty industry. So I've worked at salons, at lash studios, at Ulta and Sephora, and that's about it. I've never worked anywhere else. I do enjoy the beauty industry so much. The more I get in it, the more I love it. I just need to remember to stay positive in this industry because there's a lot of negativity. There's a lot of negative people in the beauty industry and a lot of like money hungry people, and I need to remember to stay true to who I am and not let those people affect me or like even like get to me, you know? If you guys have not noticed, go look down there. I'm about to hit 5,000 subscribers. How crazy is that, guys? When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I did a giveaway, and it was my first giveaway ever. I did my favorite Lash bougie items. So I gave someone a tweezer stand, an acrylic storage. I gave her a lot of lash goodies. And then when I hit 3K, I did an even bigger giveaway. I gave 2 subscribers the Top Shelf Beauty big box. And then now when I'm hitting 5K, I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna give you guys. I already reached out to this person, and you guys are gonna be obsessed and really excited for this giveaway because I constantly get asked about this specific thing. I don't want to give it away. You guys will see next week because I think next week I'm gonna announce it, but it's gonna be amazing and I'm really excited. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more giveaways anytime soon until I hit 10K. Well, hopefully that is soon. So share my videos with your friends, with your mom, with whoever. I never thought I would get to this point where I was like uploading consistently because I never have, and since I believe the new year, I've uploaded a video every single Tuesday, and I'm very proud of myself. If you guys are still watching, thank you so much. I want to make more personal related videos just so you guys can get to know me a bit more. With that being said, I do want to start another business. I'm really into crafts. I DIY so many things, and I have like ideas of making like cute shirts, maybe cups, little maybe templates for you guys to do consent forms, agendas. A lot of you guys always reach out to me when I post things like that, and I think that would be so much fun. I'm just throwing it out there, you know, just so I could hold myself accountable, but no time soon. Well, hopefully soon, but don't hold me to it. I'm saying I want to start it. I'm not saying I'm going to. And that is the finished look, guys. This is exactly what I'm wearing when I am filming. I just put foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, highlight, bronzer on my eyes, bronzer on my nose, eyebrows, and that's it. I usually sometimes add glitter here and there, add liner here and there. It's super easy and quick. I used to like doing like crazy dramatic looks. Nowadays I'm a little bit more on the natural side. I hope you guys enjoyed and got to know me a little bit better. If you guys did, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe. If you click my face here, you are subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you go. I love you. Bye.